Want to turn a YouTube video into text? Let AI do the work for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use any video converter's speech-to-text feature to transcribe YouTube videos step by step. First, download the YouTube video you want to transcribe, then head over to the toolbox and select Speech-to-Text. Now upload your video. Next, choose Output Text File as your need. If you want the transcript in another language, just choose your target language from the list. The AI will translate as it transcribes. Then pick an AI model that fits your needs, whether it's faster processing or higher accuracy. Now preview the text to make sure everything looks good.
My not-so-subtle request. Stop telling single people to get married. 20 years ago, I threw myself a bachelor party as a new professor.
Then hit Convert, and your transcript will be ready in a few seconds. Whether you're a content creator, student, or researcher, this tool saves time and sanity. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.